Automatic Wealth by Masterson. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Step 4. Boost your income to build wealth. To become wealthy, you need to make 6 figures. Here are some ways to increase your income. 1. Ask for a raise at your job based on your performance. 2. Do freelance consulting work. 3. Start a part-time business. And 4. Invest in rental properties. Don't rely on standard raises to get rich. Instead, work hard, show your value, and aim for above-average raises and bonuses. Consider pursuing high-paying positions in your field that start at $130,000 per year. Top earners are often in management, technical roles, or positions that directly impact a company's profits. You can also use your skills to start a part-time business, like consulting or selling products. Real estate can also be a source of income if you buy properties below market value and have a solid investment plan. In summary, increasing your income through raises, a second job, or real estate investments can help you on your path to wealth. I hope you found the information about Automatic Wealth by Masterson. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.